There you go. That's our catch for the day, y'all.
We've got time to do early thing. We got a cat in there.
Little catfish.
Is it?
Those little catfish. That's what we got. Let's look at them. That's like an eel.
Silver eels. It's actually a cutlass fish like a shoulder. That's a real thing. Look at it.
Wow.
It's not an eel, it's a fish.
That's a fish.
Yeah, well, they calm down real hard. He enjoys biting. So.
Yeah. That's like a catfish.
It is. It's plenty of hot there. Yeah, a couple of them.
Some almost got him.
Absolutely. Chop them up.
And what kind of fish is that?
Silver eel.
A silver eel.
What are those that you're saying there?
Catfish.
Oh, you see his mouth. Look at his mouth, y'all.
They have a venom. It's a bacteria, but it's the venom on his stick. A white trout. Yeah, he can chew on them.
Oh.
This time of year, everything's eating everything.
Deer.
Yeah. Good eating fish, like very good.
Make a whole lot of house.
Well, like this too,
Don't they? Fishy fish, huh? Everybody's like, first off, I don't want fish to taste like fish. It's a fish. Fish.
But what are these? Bird
Spots.
Second,
Spots. Those are croakers right there.
Ooh, did he bite
was
you?
that a
No, he stuck me.
They stuck
Thank
up.
you. Oh,
It's only the
he
second
stings?
time on here. Yeah,
catfish?
they're not like freshwater catfish. They do another thing altogether.
Oh.
He rolled right when I went to get him too.
Hard head or good?
Yeah, hard head, yeah. You know it. Second time ever on this boat. But right when I went to get him, he rolled. Look at
There's the
that. You
swinger.
ain't going nowhere. I need a sandwich today. Here, that's the basketball.
They're getting the shrimp. They're separating the fish and the shrimp.
That's all cats? That's a good shrimp.
Is that white trout?
All right, I can eat.
Oh, Charlie, that one's a rip job.
Beautiful, well small.
And this is what you call payback.
Very nice.
Yeah. Yeah, these guys, especially this one right here, these are the worst of the worst because they're,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, they are. And they good. They're still young enough that they're still sharp, but see the tip of it? Serrated. Feel right here. Well, you can. Try to get one where, there we go. Feel that backside of it.
Oh, yeah.
Run your finger out like that. Feel it?
Yeah.
It's like barbs in there. They stick. And they good. See how he's got that one fin laid back? He's got that one fin laid back, but they can lock them in. So what they'll do is they'll lay them back, slide forward in your hands, put them back out.
Oh, man.
They do that.
Don't throw them back out. So that's our
They make
catch.
excellent bait. If you can't keep that color on it, you try to freeze them, they lose it right away. They're like
Hey,
the first
thanks
ones
for
that died.
watching MoeJoe and Glenda today.
I'm getting a lesson from it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye.